Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag washer door hinge. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door hinge. The door hinge is what the door is mounted on and allows the door to open and close. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's bent or damaged and the door isn't opening and closing properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the washer door. Before you remove the door, you may want to put a towel on top of the washer so we can lay the door up there while we change out the hinge. We're going to use our Torx 20 driver to remove the screws that hold the hinge on. Now that we have both screws out, we can lift the door off the body. All you have to do is lift that up and pull it out. And then we can set the door on the towel on the top of the machine so we can take it apart. We're going to remove the 8 screws on this side of the door so we can open up the panel just far enough to get the hinge out. We're going to use a Torx 20 driver to remove all the screws. With those screws removed from the panel, we're going to carefully separate the two sides of the door. Don't pull very hard because you don't want to break the other side of the inner panel, but just lift it up enough to get the door hinge out. Here's the old door hinge next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we can put the new door hinge in. All you have to do is split the door apart again. Like we said before, just wide enough to get the hinge in there. Once you have it in place, you can let the two halves of the doors rest and line up the holes so we can put the screws in the hinge and put the door back together. Now that we have the hinge in, we can use our Torx 20 driver and put everything back together. Now that we have the door put back together again, we can put it back on the washer. To put the door back on the machine, we have to line it up with the front panel, and these two hooks have to go into the holes in the front panel so the door is supported. Once you have it onto the frame, we can use our Torx 20 driver and put the screws back in. Now that you have the part installed, you can close the washer door, plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.